So here is the fast in fast out algorithm, page replacement algorithm we have considered. That is the thing. Firstly, that is the string of pages for a particular page processes. That is the page number that is required for execution. That is the frame that is allocate for the particular processes. Okay, these four are used for a particular processes. For this process, that frame number 0, 1, 2, 3 are used to store the pages from these processes. So now the string, first of all, what happened? We consider all the pages belongs to the secondary storage devices. When required for execution, that particular page is bring from secondary storage device. So initially all the frame are empty. That is actually for store that particular process. So what happened, we'll bring from secondary storage, that is the first swapping page is 0. That is bring from secondary storage devices. So what happened, that is means when that is not belongs to frame, that is bring from the secondary storage device, that is process is swapped in. When required, that is when page fault occur. That means when that particular page not belongs to physical frame, physical memory. What happened, that means that particular thing is considered one page fault. Same thing, 0 is there already at 0 frame number. Secondly, second executing string, the second executing page will be 1. That is also not present in this 4 frame. So what happened, that is required a page fault and being from it from the secondary storage device, that is 1. So that is the running executing pages. Same here for the second executing process is 2. So 0 is at 0 frame number, 1 is at 1 frame number. So 2 is not there. Here what happened, that is means not present in the memory. So that means that is page fault occur, and that is being from the secondary storage device, that is swap in. Okay. So swap in that particular page from secondary to physical, and that is stored into frame number 2. Okay, that is the running process, running page. So here the same is going on for 3 also. 3 is not present here, so page fault occur and bring from secondary. Now the thing is second executing page is 2. 2 is already there, not required. That is now page fault occur for that particular page, and that is executed. 1, 2, 3. That is the running. Next is 5. Now the thing is which page is replaced. That is the thing we know. If page fault occur, that is 5 is not present in this 4th frame, then that means page fault obviously occur, and then we'll select the victim page which is replaced by this page. So that particular page is bring from secondary storage and replace a particular page. That particular page will be swapped out from the frame, physical memory. So which one will be the victim page? That is using fast in fast out algorithm, page replacement. Which frame, which page is entered into this physical memory first, that will be replaced first. So that is the victim page. Okay, now that page is replaced by 5. 1, 2, 3 is there. Now same here for 6. 6 is not present this 4 frame. So what happened, 5 is there. Which one will be replaced? 1 will be replaced, then 2, 3, page fault occur. Next 3 is already there, so no page fault. 5, 6, 2, 3. 3 is the running page. Next 4, which one will be replaced? 5, 6. Then next first inserted page is 2. So 2 will be replaced here. So 5, 6, 4 and 3. 4 is the running and page fault occur. Next 6 is already there, so no page fault. 5, 6, 4, 3. Next 3 is already there, no page fault. 5, 6, 4 and 3. Next 7, which one will be replaced? 3 will be replaced. So 5, 6, 4 and 7. 7 is the running page fault occur. Next 3 is not there. So which one will be replaced? Which one will be replaced? 7 is recently come. So next will be 5 replaced. So 3, 6, 4 and 7 page fault occur. Then 1, which one will be replaced? That is 6, 3, 1, 4, 7 page fault occur. Next 5, which one will be replaced? 4, 3, 1, 5, 7. That is the running page fault occur. Last is 3 is already there. 3, 1, 5, 7, no page fault. Okay, understood? So how many string was there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So total pages is 16. And how many page fault? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11. Okay. Within 16 pages for execution, there have 11 page fault. So that will be the page fault rate. That will be the page fault rate. Okay. Now the thing is, using first in first out algorithm, we always replace the first inserted but first swapping item, but first swapping page entered into this physical memory, that will be replaced first, and calculating the page fault rate. So basically our tendency is to reduce the page fault, because that is the page fault actually occur, then it is required for swapping, or swapping method is required. Now the thing is, if a particular, that is depend on how many frame is allocated for a particular process, that is depend on operating system. It may be 4. Here we example given, that is a 4 frame is allocated for a particular process. It may be 3, it may be 5, anything. Okay, that is depends on operating system. So if the number of frame is increased, that means more pages stored into this frame, and we can reduce the page fault. Okay, so basically the thing, how can we increase decrease the page fault? If the number of frame is allocated for a particular process more, then we reduces the page fault rate. Okay, that is for first in first out algorithm. Here same example used in another page replacement algorithm, that is optimal page replacement algorithm. Okay, here same using, here the same frame size, 4 frame, 0, 1, 2, 3, and same string we will use. Here what is the thing, here which frame is considered as victim page if page fault occur, that is that will not be used for recently. Okay, which page is not used for longest period of time, that particular page that is considered as victim page, that will not be used for recent time, for longest period of time. That means that is depends on the future string. Okay, that is depends, we can consider the future string first, then check which particular frame is not required for executions. That is the thing. For example, firstly here we consider the page fault occur for the first time, that is the 0 is swapped into the frame number 0, page fault occur. 0, 1 is swapping and page fault occur. 0, 1, 2 page fault occur. 0, 1, 2, 3 page fault occur. Okay, now all frame are filled by 4 pages. Now the thing is, second frame 1 to execution, that is 2, that is already there. So what happened, no page fault occur here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 2 is the running frame to be executed. Next what happened, next frame is 5. 5 is not there in this 4 frame, so that means page fault occur. and one page is replaced by swapping that particular frame from secondary storage device. So which frame is replaced? Using first come first serve, that is the first FIFO algorithm, will replace 0. But here we consider the optimal page replacement. That page is considered as victim page, which will not be used for longest period of time. So here 0 is not using in this string. So here we replace this by 0. So 5 not for, that is the first inserted item, that is selected as victim because that will not be used for longest period of time. For future string we'll consider from here, that is no 0 page is required for execution. So that means we'll replace this one. So 5 is this 1, 2, 3 and page fault occur. Next one is 7. Now the thing is which one will be replaced? Next is 6. So which one will be replaced? 3 is recently used, 4 recently used. So which one will be replaced? From here, that is the thing, 2 is not there. For future string we'll consider. So we'll replace by 2. So 5, 1, 2, 3. Page fault occur. That is the thing 5, 1, 9. That is the 6. 6 is the running string. Next one is 3. So 3 is already there, no page fault. No page fault. So 5, 1, 6 and 3. Next one is 4. If 4 is executing, that means which one will be replaced? Further, that is the thing 5, 3 is recently used, so we replace by 5. So before 5 1 is there, so 5 is the not used in longest period of time, so we replace this by 5. By 5 we replace 4. So 4, 1, 6, 3. Page fault occur. 4 is the running. 6 no page fault. 4, 1, 6, 3. Next 3 is already there. 4, 1, 6, 3. No page fault. Next one is 7. Which one is not? 3 is there. 1 is there. 5 is there. No, 5 is actually in the string. So we'll replace 4. 4 is not using in longest period of time. So 7 running 1, 6, 3. Page fault occur. Next 3. No page fault. 7, 1, 3, 6, 3. Next 1 is no page fault. 7, 1, 6, 3. 1 is running. Next 5. Which one will be replaced? 3 is already in use. 1 not in use. 3 also in use. 3, 7. Any one you can consider 7, either 7 or 1. That is the thing. If we consider 5, so we replace by first one. So 5, 1, 6, 3. Next 3. No page fault. 5, 1, 6, 3 and 3 is the running. Okay, understood? Same here. That is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 16. 16, how many page fault occur? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here the page fault rate is equal to 6 by 9%. So basically optimal page replacement is better than FIFO algorithm because here page fault rate is low than the previous one. Okay, so same thing we'll discuss in LRU, list recently used, in the next example. List recently used, another example of page replacement algorithm. Same string we'll use here also and same frame size. Okay, now the first thing 0 is there, we calculating the page fault. 0 is the running state, that is the page fault occur. 0 1 page fault occur. 0 1 2 page fault occur. 0 1 2 3 page fault occur. Okay, now the thing is here the least recently used, when we use that particular algorithm, here replace that particular page, consider victim page as that particular page which have not been used recently. Okay, which has not been used recently. So we'll go for the past. Okay, past does not recently use. So here the thing, when we replace in string the 2 is required, so 2 is already there, so not require any page fault occur, so not require any swapping. So 0 1 2 3 2 is the running page. Next one is 5. So when 5 is string encountered, then what happened? 5 replace other pages, any one pages, that will be the victim page. Which one will be the victim page? So from 5 we'll consider which one not recently used. 2 is recently used, 3 is another recently, and consider which one is longest period of time, does not recently, going for the past one is 0. So we'll replace this by 0. So here is the 5 1 2 3 and page fault occur. Next one is 6. Now same here, which one is not recently used, that is a thing, same here, 0, after that 1. So here 5 6 2 3 page fault occur. Next 3 is not require any page replacement. 2 3 is the running, no page fault. Next one is 4. When 4 encountered, then what happened? Which one is not in use? Here 3 is recently used. 5 6 2 will be replaced here. So 5 6 4 3 page fault occur. Then 6, what happened? 5 6 is already there. 4 3 no page fault. Then 3 5 6 4 3 no page fault. Then 7. So which one will be replaced? Here 3 4 6 5. 3 4 6 5. Which one not in use recently? That is 5. So we'll replace that is by 5. So 7 6 4 3 page fault occur. 7 is the running. 3 is already there. 7 6 4 3 no page fault. 1. Now when 1, which one will be replaced? 3 6 already in use. 7, so will be replaced by 4. So 7 6 1 3. 1 is the running, page fault occur. Then 5. What happened about the 5? Which one will be replaced? 7 3 1. 7 3 1. 6 is not in use recently, so we'll replace by 7 5 1 3. 5 is the running, page fault occur. Last one is no page fault. 7 5 1 3 no page fault. Okay, the total number is 16. And how many page fault occur? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So here is the, consider page fault rate is equal to 10 by 16%. Now the thing is, which one will better? Because why LRU? Because that is in optimal page replacement, that is not easy to consider the what will be in near future. Future calculations is not so easy, that's why we'll go for the past calculations. So from the past we can consider the use, which one will be the victim page, and implement in LRU, list recently used. So basically 3 is there, FIFO, first in first out, optimal page replacement, and LRU. Okay.